We've built email to task, the research digest, and the content pipeline.
Today we close out the N8N workflow series with number 4, client onboarding. When someone submits your intake form, N8N creates a CRM entry, drafts a personalized welcome email with Claude, generates a shared folder, schedules a follow-up reminder, and pings your team on Slack.
Freelancers and agencies use this to make a one-person operation feel like a team of 5. Setup time about 20 minutes.
By the end, every new lead gets a professional experience automatically while your admin time drops to 0.
Gather 5 things. 1. N8N account. 2. A form tool. Typeform or Calendly both have webhook triggers in N8N. Google Forms works with a webhook relay. 3. A CRM.
Notion database, HubSpot free tier, or Airtable all connect natively.
4. Claude API key for the welcome email. 5. Slack workspace for team notifications. Optional Google Drive for client folders. Create a test form with fields, name, email, company, and project description. Submit a fake entry to use during testing.
Open N8N, new workflow, name it client onboarding.
Step 1. Catch the submission. Add a webhook node method post. Copy the webhook URL N8N generates.
In Typeform, go to Connect, choose webhooks, paste the URL.
In Calendly, use the invitee created webhook. Submit your test form.
The webhook node should light up green with the submission data, name, email, company, project description.
Add a set node to normalize field names regardless of which form tool you use.
Map client name, client email, company, and project summary into clean variables.
Test until your set node shows a tidy JSON object every time. Step 2. CRM entry.
Add a Notion create database page node or HubSpot create contact, or Airtable create record.
Map client name to the title or name field. Map email, company, and project summary to their columns. Set status to new lead and date to today.
This is your single source of truth for every incoming client.
Test, check your CRM. The test submission should appear as a new row.
If fields are empty, your set node mapping is off, match the exact field names from your webhook payload.
Step 3. The welcome email. Add an Anthropic or HTTP request node. Prompt, you are a professional client onboarding specialist. Write a warm, concise welcome email.
Client name, company, and project summary are mapped from the form. Include 3 sections: acknowledgement of their project, what happens next in the onboarding process, and 1 specific detail that shows you read their submission.
Tone, professional but human. Under 200 words. No filler phrases. Parse the response. Add a Gmail send node. 2. Client email.
Subject, welcome to your project, company name.
Body, Claude's output. This email goes out within seconds of form submission. The client experience feels instant. Step 4. Folder, reminder, and team ping. Add a Google Drive create folder node. Name it client name-company-onboarding.
Share it with the client email if you want immediate access.
Add a wait node, delay 3 days. Then add a Gmail send reminder to yourself, follow up with client name about onboarding.
For Slack, add a send message node to your team channel.
Message, new client onboarded, name, company, project summary, CRM link, folder link. Connect the chain, webhook, set, CRM, Claude, Gmail welcome, Drive folder, Slack notify, wait, follow up reminder. Execute with your test submission. Check every destination. Quick tips. Duplicate submissions? Add a dedup if node checking if email already exists in CRM. Welcome email to generic? Add more form fields, budget, timeline, goals. Running solo without Slack? Replace with a Gmail notification to yourself. Want contracts attached? Add a Drive upload node with your template PDF before the welcome email.
Your action plan: connect your real form, run 1 test client through the pipeline, refine the Claude prompt until the email sounds like you, then activate.
That. completes all 4 N8N workflows from our series.
Next up, we're shifting to Perplexity, the research tool that pairs with everything you've built.
Subscribe if you want more practical AI workflow breakdowns.